What's up everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is all about making some killer coconut shrimp from scratch and using that to make a toasted warm sandwich or po' boy with a few other simple complementing ingredients. Alright, let's dive in. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is get the breading station in order. So here I'm mixing together my all-purpose flour with black pepper, Spanish paprika, chili powder, celery salt, and a pinch of kosher salt. Once that's all finished up, whip up a whole egg with a splash of milk for about a minute or so in a separate bowl. Then in another bowl, mix together the sweetened coconut and breadcrumbs until thoroughly combined. As a side note for this, if you want a more even fried texture, blend the breadcrumbs and coconut in a food processor before breading. Once the breading station is all prepped out, grab your large 15 to 20 count shrimp, meaning that there are 15 to 20 in a pound when you buy it at the store. Make sure that they have been peeled and deveined as well, and start coating them first in the seasoned flour, then in the egg mixture, and finally a generous coating of coconut breadcrumbs. Now that the shrimp are all breaded up, start to fry them several at a time. Make sure not to crowd the pot in canola oil that's at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. They shouldn't take much longer than 2 to 3 minutes to cook and will have a really nice golden color on the outside when they're finished. Most of the bubbles will subside when the shrimp is cooked through, so just kind of check for that. As always with fried items, make sure to blot off any excess grease with a towel and season with a pinch of salt right when they come out of the fryer. To finish this all up, as soon as the shrimp are done, you want to toast up a split top bun or an ordinary hot dog bun will do, like I have here. Smear some spicy mayo or crema down the middle, basically a mayo or sour cream seasoned with lime juice and adobo peppers. Then place the coconut shrimp down next, and last but not least, some freshly picked fennel tops, cilantro, and basil to finish for a really nice, refreshing crunch. Shredded lettuce is also a really nice, simple touch to this as well. But that's it. Crispy fried coconut shrimp po' boy. Alright guys, so the spicy coconut shrimp po' boy is done. This looks fantastic. I already ate the other one. Me and Rachel just devoured it. The shrimp is kind of incredible. So I'm gonna dive into this, run through the flavors, and tell you guys how I did. It is a little spicy though. I'm still kind of reeling from the last one. So let me dive in. The shrimp is super tender, even though there's so much crunch going on. It's one of the biggest reasons why I love to get, I believe this is 15 to 20 count shrimp. Just because it gets so big and plump and juicy. I love cooking with bigger shrimp just because it retains the juices and that buttery texture a little bit more. And it's really easy to bread. So the shrimp's super buttery and everything else is really crispy. You get that kind of that sweet coconut flair to it. I think I'm gonna eat this whole thing. Wow, this is ridiculous. As you can tell, this was a very delicious sandwich because it's all gone. I usually don't even eat the full amount of something on my channel and during my outro, but this was amazing. Very crispy, tender, lots of beautifully paired flavors with the herbs, spicy, adobo, crema, coconut shrimp, soft, tender bun outside, toasted, crispy, beautiful. This is a fantastic recipe. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Wow, that is spicy. Subscribe to my channel, comment down below for future video requests, things you want to see on my channel, and I'll see you guys next time with another recipe. Later, folks.